Not making money with Amazon KDP in 2025, you are missing out on a huge passive income opportunity. People are making $500, $1,000, even $10,000 plus per month selling simple books on Amazon. And do you know the best part? You don't need to be a writer. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step method on how to start Amazon KDP in 2025, even if you're a total beginner. Stick around because I'll share 3 secret strategies to sell more books fast. Once you click on the link, you'll be brought to Amazon KDP sign up page. Here, all you have to do is to click on join KDP as a new user. The sign in button is only for old users. So now just click on join KDP. Let's begin. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to this page where you'll be asked to input your credentials like your name, your email address, your password, and after confirming your password, you click on create account for you to create an account on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing for you to start making money from it. Once you click on create, you'll be brought to this page, which means your account has been successfully created, but you'll be asked to verify some processes like your identity using a passport, your voter's card, or anything. And those ones you can use your hands and do them, but in case on the process of doing them you find some difficulties, go into the comment section below and ask me that, and I'm going to respond to you as fast as possible. Also, you'll be asked to input your payment details. You can be paid with no matter the country you are from, you can be paid. So just input your payment details. Regarding that, you have your Swift BIC code of the bank you are using. So after verifying those processes, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSeek AI or ChatGPT to create an ebook for you to start making money on this Amazon KDP platform. So now let me show you how to use DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT. This is me telling DeepSeek AI to create an ebook for me to publish on Amazon KDP. And this is me telling ChatGPT to create an ebook for me to publish on Amazon KDP based on the trending topic. So I'm going to use both of them to create an ebook. As you can see, it was analyzing it and it has started generating the ebook for me. This is DeepSeek AI currently. It has just generated the ebook for me. This is chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. But it's too small. So I'm going to just tell him to expand the book so that the book will be longer, because you know it is an ebook for you to publish. I just told DeepSeek AI to expand the book right now, and it's going to expand it as I give him the command. This is ChatGPT over here generating the ebook for me. Although it's also short, but we'll tell him the same thing to expand the book, because you know it is an ebook for it to be published and to be read by people. So just tell him to expand the ebook and it will go as the command gives immediately. Although the titles of the ebooks given by ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI are different. In ChatGPT is talking about AI, while DeepSeek is talking about a healthy living and lifestyle. The zero waste blueprint, simple ways for a sustainable living for a greener future. But for you to publish your ebook on Amazon KDP, it has to be in PDF, so in PDF form. So you just have to tell DCI to put the ebook in PDF form, and it's going to do that right away. Then I'll go over to ChatGPT and tell him the same thing to put the ebook in PDF form, and it's going to do that right away. So that's one thing about AI. It does every command given to it exactly how it is given. This is DeepSeek AI telling me that it cannot directly create a PDF file, but it can provide a complete text for me to copy and paste into a word processor. So all I have to do is to copy all the text given to me and paste it in my Microsoft Word, in case this is the topic I want to publish. But as for ChatGPT, it also said over here that The ebook has been converted into a PDF. You can download it using the link. So it created the ebook in a PDF form, and I just click on download, and the ebook will start downloading immediately. As you can see, the book has finished downloading, so I just have to click on it to go and check out. So as you can see, everything given to me was exactly the way it was in PDF, although the chapter is just given normally. So I'm just going to ChatGPT and tell him that he should expand the chapters, like he should make it vast, he should make it very large and comprehensive for me to publish. You can see I just told ChatGPT that can he make the topic enlarged and give more detailed information, and it said I'll expand each chapter with more detailed explanation. As you can see, it has given me the correct response. The chapters are now expanded, but all we have to do is for it to put it in PDF form. So I'll just tell him to put it in PDF form. All I have to do is to copy everything from the beginning down to the end. Copied. This is the part 1 of the Amazon KDP, which is where I showed you how to sign up on Amazon, how to verify your account, and how to create an ebook using ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI. So stay tuned for part 2. Go into the comment section below and share me your comments whether I should drop part 2 or not. Part 2 is where I'll be showing you how to upload your content or your ebook on Amazon KDP. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more money making hacks and tips. Thank you so much.